Exporting data from Airtable to Excel involves downloading the data as a CSV file and then opening it in Excel. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Airtable. Open Airtable and log into your account. Navigate to the base and table containing the data you want to export. Choose the correct view. Ensure you are in the correct view that contains the data you want. Filters or groupings applied to the view will reflect in the exported data. Download data as CSV. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the view. Select Download CSV. The table will be downloaded as a CSV file to your computer. Open the CSV file in Excel. Locate the downloaded file, typically in your computer's Downloads folder. Open Microsoft Excel and select File, Open, then choose the downloaded CSV file. Excel will display the data in spreadsheet format. Save as an Excel file. To save the data in Excel's native format, click File, Save As, and choose XLSX as the format.